Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about our fourth chapter, the digestive system. We all know that what is digestive system, what are the parts in digestive system. Then when we get energy from our food we eat, the food consists of different nutrients. Can you say what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking in food and its utilization in the body for its growth and development, that is called nutrition. The nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein and vitamins and minerals are also present in our food. These nutrients are essential for our growth and development of the body. Then the process of nutrition in human being. What are the process of human being? In animals, including human being, get their food directly or indirectly from plants. They are called heterotrophs or consumers. That means they depend for others for the food. This mode of nutrition is called holozoic nutrition. There are 5 steps involved in nutrition process in animals. What are the 5 processes? These processes are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. These are the 5 steps including the digestion process. Then here the steps are, already we told that ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. These are the steps involved in the process of nutrition in animals. Then what do you mean by ingestion? That is the process of taking in food and through the mouth is known as ingestion. It is the first stage of process of nutrition. So the method of ingestion may vary from one animals to another. The process of taking in food through mouth, that is known as ingestion. And moving to the second steps, we know that second step, that is digestion. Then what do you mean by digestion? Digestion is the process in which complex components of food are broken down into simpler and soluble substance. That means complex food materials break down into simpler form, that is called digestion. And moving to the third steps of nutrition, the third step, that is called absorption. Then what do you mean by absorption? When the food is broken down, its nutrients are passed into the blood. So they can be transported to different part of the body, and this process is called absorption. Say that is called absorption. That when the food is broken down and nutrients are passed into the blood, they can be transported to different part of the body. And moving to the next process, that is called assimilation. The process of utilizing the absorbed nutrients in living tissue to get energy for the growth and development, that is called assimilation. The process of utilizing absorbed nutrients for the growth and development, that is called assimilation. And moving to the last, that is ejection. Then the waste materials produced during the process of digestion that are expelled out from the body along with the undigested food in the form of fecus through the anus. This process is known as ejection. That is the unwanted substance, removal of unwanted substance or undigested substance from our body, that is called ejection. And moving to the human digestive system, let's observe human digestive system. Here you can see the different part of digestive system. Digestive system, that is a long tube that starting with mouth and ending with the anus. Then mouth, small esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally anus. The human body performs the steps of nutrition process inside the gut or alimentary canal. It is a long tube. Alimentary canal is a long tube and starting from mouth to ending as anus. Then what are the major parts or main parts of alimentary canal? Alimentary canal main parts are mouth, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. These are the different parts or main parts of alimentary canal. Then thank you all.